Welcome to Manifattura di Venezia showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of some of our most significant collections. Pyro Surprise Collection is a set of oven-to-table dishes and their multifunctional lids, made in extra strong porcelain suitable for use in the oven. They come in different sizes and shapes: rectangular, square, oval, round, each one with its multifunction lid with handles. We have 10 different sizes in the white version and 3 in the matte black version, contemporary and with an Asian fusion twist. The stackability of Pyro Surprise oven-to-tableware offers a multitude of different combinations: casserole on a casserole, casserole on a lid, and lid on a lid, allowing to optimize the space management and designations of use. The lid, more than just keeping the dishes warm and preserving the food, can also be used as an underplate for the casserole, as a serving plate, or as a tray in addition to its normal usage. This is due to its functional design and to its top perimeter containing edge and its glazed foot. Lids can be purchased separately and are available in 16 shapes and sizes. The Pyro Surprise range of products can be put in both traditional and microwave ovens. They can resist temperatures up to 230 Celsius and as low as -24 Celsius. Always avoid sudden transition from very hot to very cold temperature and vice versa. They are also scratch resistant and dishwasher safe. In the hotel, Pyro Surprise make an interesting and functional choice for room serving, as they will hold for longer the ideal food temperature. In the luxury dining and catering, they can be used as returnable dish for takeaway solutions, offering customers a favorite object either to be returned or to be purchased. An ecologically friendly solution, avoiding all kinds of waste. Let yourself be charmed by these functional casseroles. From the strong aesthetic impact, you'll be impressed by their practicality and versatility of use.